Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. Whether you're having a home decorated for the holidays, or maybe you want to do this as a business, or it is your business, give them a call at 631-957-5106. They got plenty of Christmas stuff in stock, by the way. The website is liholidaylighting.com. Omni True Value Hardware is your go-to place for this coming winter for rock salt, snow melt products, or anything else you need to help you clear all the winter weather nonsense that we might see. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com. We have a pretty intense storm up in the northern plains. You can see the rotation on the satellite here, and this big arm of clouds that comes out of that and runs down to the Gulf Coast. There's some showers and thunderstorms. Those are pushing eastward. We are seeing some high clouds running ahead of it today, and they are coming in. It's not a solid overcast, though, so these high clouds will go in. They may actually go out for a little while tonight and then come back in later on tonight as that weather front comes on through, and that's going to bring showers and thunderstorms here for Friday. Take a look on the radar where this is up in North Dakota and also in South Dakota. That's snow, and in fact, the Weather Service is going to pull up the watches and warnings because we haven't seen this much lately. But that orange area you see in northeastern South Dakota, those are blizzard warnings. And it's more about the wind than the amount of snow. Winter weather advisories are up around that. Winter storm warnings up in northern Minnesota. So this is the first important snowfall that we've seen this fall season. It's been a bit on the quiet side from that respect all across the country. And you got the bigger player again, high wind warnings back to the Dakotas. By the way, more rain coming into the Pacific Northwest with flash flooding. Here in the east, nothing to worry about at the moment, but we are going to see these showers and storms that are running from southern Michigan down through Alabama. That's what's approaching us for tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center has actually added an area of marginal risk now from the Delmarva Peninsula to eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, the lower and middle Hudson Valley, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Long Island, and southeastern New England. That also comes with a slightly smaller area of 2% tornado risk from northeastern New Jersey to southeastern New England, and a 5% risk that there could be some wind gusts and thunderstorms of 50 knots or higher. So we're going to keep an eye on the radar and see how that plays. It's going to be a bit on the breezy side regardless for tomorrow, and that it may be hard to tell what you're getting wind from, whether it's from just the general southerly flow or perhaps you're getting it from a thunderstorm that moves on through. Rainfall amounts generally on the order of 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches from Maryland and the northern part of the Delmarva Peninsula into southern and central New England. A few places getting maybe some slightly higher amounts. You can see big rains continuing in the Pacific Northwest, and then the rainfall amounts tail off as you head into the southeast and down into Florida. So let's show you what's going on in terms of the upper air. We have this big upper low that is approaching. The cold front itself is running ahead of the upper support. So we're going to get the cold front to come through tomorrow with showers and thunderstorms, and then we're going to have to wait for this upper air feature to play through, and that's going to take all weekend and into Monday. And there are shortwave troughs that are rotating around it. The first one will come through late on Saturday, and there might be a couple of showers with that as it goes by. And then there's a second area that's dropping southeastward that might bring a few showers of rain, and maybe even way inland, there might be some wet snow in the mix. This is, by the way, this is cold air that's coming down, but it's not Arctic cold. We've been talking about the fact that the snow cover in Canada has been lacking, so the cold air that's being produced there is nothing extraordinary. As that snow cover builds, as we keep going through the month, we're seeing the snow cover build. That'll probably change more toward the end of the month, but for now, the cold air up there has been relatively reasonable, and that's going to be the case here starting on Sunday and going into Tuesday, which is how long this cold air mass will stay with us. And then that trough lifts out. We'll probably warm up Wednesday into Thursday, and then another trough starts to drop into the eastern part of the United States late next week, maybe another cold front coming next Thursday or into Friday. So let's break down what you can expect as far as tomorrow is concerned. We'll bring up the GFS. Actually, I'm going to use the NAM. Why don't we do that? We'll use the NAM, and this way we could actually look at it on an hour-by-hour basis. This is the new NAM, by the way. It's just coming out now. Started at about 2:45 Eastern time. So let's roll it back. By tonight at 10 o'clock, you can see there are no showers anywhere close. Now, a couple of showers could bubble up during the overnight as the air mass saturates here. And then come tomorrow morning, this is at 7 a.m., so you will see rain spreading over Pennsylvania and New Jersey. By 8 or 9 a.m., it's at about New York City. Then it continues eastward into Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. And you see the embedded heavier downpours there and probably some thunderstorms in the mix as it goes through. It's not a wide area here. It's relatively narrow. So we're talking about 4 or 5 hours here where we'll get into some rain. And then the back edge by 1 o'clock is at New York City. So eastern Pennsylvania, south central, southeastern Pennsylvania, down into Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey. The rain's gone by 1 o'clock or so, and then a little bit longer as you go across Long Island and southeastern New England. Then we'll clear out Friday night, cloud over again on Saturday. This is as far out as we have it. And then that second upper trough is going to come on through, and you see that little area of little rain, even some wet snow there in western Pennsylvania. So I put in for some scattered showers for later Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Then that goes by. We'll see temperatures in the 60s on Friday from northeastern Virginia to southern New England, 50s on Saturday, and 40s to around 50 for Sunday, and probably just 40s on Monday. And in fact, here's Sunday evening. You've got that snow and rain mix moving across the Great Lakes and into the Northeast as low pressure moves into western New York. And we might see some scattered rain or snow showers late Sunday night into Monday morning, depending on your location. Some people won't see anything at all. And, of course, we'll continue to see our temperatures being cold Monday into Tuesday, and then the high moves out, and we start another warm-up for Wednesday into Thursday. Here comes the next front for the end of next week, and who knows what's going to happen beyond that, although the longer range still wants to suggest that Thanksgiving week is going to be a cold one. Weather in 5 is brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com is the website. Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. And their telephone number is 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. Both Wholesale Holiday Lighting and Omni True Value Hardware are sponsors of the Joe and Joe Weather Show, which will be on tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time, and we hope to see you then.